Hi everyone, and welcome once again to Ball Family Gardens. For those of you who are new here, my name is Trudy and I am building a flower farm in central Newfoundland. I've always been a gardener. I've started gardening probably at the age of 19, 20 years old, and I've always had a little garden, and with time I've learned and built my gardening skills, and now I've decided a couple years ago I wanted to purchase some land and start a flower farm. And I've been sharing that experience with you guys. But back in my early days, I spent lots and lots of money on gardening, buying seeds and buying plants, and had very little success due to lack of knowledge. But over the last 4 years, I've learned lots of new growing methods and learned more about amending my soil and improving my soil. So today I wanted to introduce to you guys a little grow land project that I wanted to set up. If you're out there and you're tired of wasting your dollars on gardening supplies and material and not having much success, I would like to share some of my information that I've learned so that you guys can improve your chances of success. So back 3 to 4 years ago, I bought a soil blocker. Actually, bought a couple. This one here is a 3/4 inch 20 cell count, and I also bought a 2-inch soil blocker, which I really don't use, but this one here is my favorite. So what I'm going to be doing now come January, I'm going to share with you guys in a video my recipe that I use, and I'm going to teach you guys come February. We're going to do a grow land program. So if you're interested, the reason why I'm telling you guys all about this now is you can buy these soil blockers on Amazon for about $25. So if you guys are interested in learning how to sow your seeds using this method, you can go on Amazon. Now would be a good time because I will be starting pepper plants and some annuals come February. So if you guys are interested in growing along with me, now will be the time for you to order that so that you have it come February. Also, some other different methods I'm going to be using. I'll be doing winter sowing, and I'll do some traditional methods of just starting seeds in containers and stuff. And I'm also going to show you how I get my seeds all organized and prepare for when each stage that I start my seeds. And probably will, as time evolves, we'll get down on the farm and we'll be doing some direct sowing. So like I say, if you are interested in turning your brown thumb, or some people say a black thumb, into a green thumb, this would be a great opportunity for you to learn how to improve and have better success at growing. I know over the years I have bought many seeds that I had poor success with seeds because I didn't know how to start my seeds. And now that my knowledge has grown, each spring now I ask to put up workshops on seed starting to help people improve their success of growing out little seedlings. So if you would like to do this, there's no charge. Just follow me on my videos, and hopefully each video you'll pick up a little bit of knowledge, and your success of having more produce and plants, flowers and veggies growing would be, your chances of success would be greater. So that's all I wanted to introduce this grow land program to you guys, and hopefully you'll come along, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Love you all.